Every year, an alarming number of people, about 2 million worldwide, lose their lives due to liver diseases, a figure that's more than the combined total of deaths from HIV, diabetes, and road accidents. Let that sink in for a moment. It's a shocking reality, isn't it? But why are we not talking about it more? Perhaps because the liver, unlike the heart or the brain, is an unsung hero of our body. It silently performs over 500 vital functions, making it one of the most hardworking organs in our body. The liver's main job is to filter the blood coming from the digestive tract before passing it to the rest of the body. It detoxifies chemicals, metabolizes drugs, and produces proteins essential for blood clotting and other functions. It's like the body's very own chemical processing plant, working round the clock to keep us healthy. But the sad truth is, liver diseases are on the rise. Chronic liver disease and cirrhosis are among the top 15 causes of death in the world. And what's even more alarming is that many people are not even aware that they have liver disease until it's too late. Why is this happening? The reasons are many and complex, ranging from unhealthy lifestyle habits to genetic factors. But some of the most common culprits are excessive alcohol consumption, obesity, and viral hepatitis. The good news is that the liver is an incredibly resilient organ. It can regenerate itself, and with the right care, it can bounce back from damage. The even better news is that many liver diseases are preventable. So how do we take care of this vital organ? How do we ensure that it continues to perform its crucial functions without a hitch? Simple lifestyle changes can make a world of difference. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, staying hydrated, avoiding harmful substances. These are all ways to keep your liver in top shape. But don't worry, liver diseases are preventable, and today we'll walk you through simple steps that can keep your liver happy and healthy. Hydration plays a key role in maintaining a healthy liver. It's as simple as drinking water. You see, our liver is a powerhouse, tirelessly working to filter and detoxify the blood that circulates through our bodies. But to do so efficiently, it needs hydration. When we're properly hydrated, our blood is thinner, making it easier for the liver to filter out toxins. On the flip side, dehydration can thicken our blood, putting an added strain on the liver and hindering its ability to function optimally. But that's not all. Hydration also aids in digestion, another key function of the liver. It helps break down the food we eat, allowing our bodies to absorb the nutrients we need. The beauty of it all is that staying hydrated is within anyone's reach. Just keep a water bottle handy and make it a point to sip regularly. Remember, the key is consistency. Make it a habit to sip water throughout the day. Your liver loves a balanced diet. It's like the fuel that keeps your liver running smoothly. Just as a car needs the right fuel to run efficiently, your liver requires a balanced diet to function optimally. A balanced diet is a symphony of various food groups, each playing a crucial role in maintaining good health. It includes an assortment of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help ward off damage to the liver cells. Lean proteins, such as poultry, fish, and legumes, provide the essential amino acids necessary for cell repair and regeneration. Whole grains, on the other hand, are a rich source of fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight, both of which are vital for liver health. It's like a symphony orchestra where every instrument contributes to the overall performance. Let's dive a bit deeper and talk about some specific foods that your liver particularly loves. Garlic, for instance, is a powerhouse of sulfur-containing compounds that activate liver enzymes responsible for flushing out toxins. It's like sending in a cleanup crew to tidy up your liver. Grapefruit, with its abundance of antioxidants and vitamin C, helps to protect the liver by reducing inflammation and enhancing its detoxifying abilities. Picture it as a shield, warding off those harmful elements that can cause damage to your liver. Then there's fatty fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These good fats work to reduce inflammation and prevent the buildup of excess fats in the liver. Think of them as little firefighters, putting out the flames of inflammation before they can cause harm. Eating right is not a one-time event, but a lifestyle choice. Make it your choice today. Remember, the key to a healthy liver is not just about choosing the right foods, but also about consistency. It's an ongoing commitment to your health, a promise you make to yourself every day. So, let's make that promise today for a healthier, happier liver. Just as your body needs movement, so does your liver. Physical activity is a must for a healthy liver. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly does exercise contribute to liver health? Well, let's delve into that. Physical activity is like the Swiss Army knife of health. It does everything. Regular exercise helps maintain a healthy weight, which is crucial for liver health. When we engage in physical activity, our bodies burn calories, reducing the risk of becoming overweight or obese. This is important because obesity is a significant risk factor for developing fatty liver disease. Now, what is fatty liver disease? Essentially, it's a condition where excess fat builds up in your liver. It's like your liver is trying to hoard fat, the way a squirrel hoards nuts for winter. But unlike the squirrel, your liver doesn't benefit from this hoarding. Instead, the excess fat can cause inflammation and damage to your liver cells. Regular exercise, however, can help prevent this. It's a bit like a decluttering service for your liver. It helps your body use up its fat stores, instead of letting them accumulate in your liver. This helps to reduce the risk of fatty liver disease, but the benefits of physical activity don't stop there. Regular exercise also improves insulin sensitivity. Insulin is a hormone that helps regulate your blood sugar levels. When your body becomes resistant to insulin, your liver can't do its job properly, which can lead to liver disease. But regular exercise helps keep your insulin levels in check, helping your liver function at its best. So what kind of exercise should you be doing? Well, the good news is, you don't have to run a marathon or lift heavy weights. Any form of physical activity that gets your heart rate up and makes you breathe a bit harder is beneficial. This could be anything from a brisk walk in the park to a dance class or even gardening. Your liver does so much for you. Give it the care it deserves. Get moving and get active. Remember, every step you take is a step towards better liver health. It's not just about what you should do, but also about what you shouldn't. Avoiding harmful substances is crucial for liver health. Now let's talk about some of the harmful substances that can damage your liver. First on the list is alcohol. You've probably heard it before, but it's worth repeating. Excessive alcohol consumption can cause significant damage to your liver. It can lead to conditions like fatty liver, alcoholic hepatitis, and even cirrhosis, a condition where normal liver tissue is replaced by scar tissue. So moderation is key when it comes to alcohol. Next up is drugs, both recreational and some prescription ones. Recreational drugs like cocaine and methamphetamine can cause severe liver damage, sometimes leading to liver failure. Prescription medications, too, can harm your liver if not used correctly. Some pain relievers and statins, for instance, can cause liver inflammation if taken in large quantities or over a prolonged period. This brings us to the importance of caution. Always follow your doctor's instructions when taking medications. If you're unsure about the possible effects of a drug on your liver, don't hesitate to ask. It's far better to be safe than sorry. And let's not forget about certain toxins in our environment. Exposure to chemicals like vinyl chloride, which is used in plastics industry, or arsenic, found in some water supplies, can also harm your liver. So it's important to be aware of what you're exposed to, not just what you consume. Avoiding these harmful substances is a big part of maintaining your liver health. But remember, it's not about completely eliminating these substances from your life. It's about making conscious choices, practicing moderation, and always being cautious. Keeping your liver healthy is a long-term commitment. It's about making the right choices every day, not just for a week or a month. And the great thing is, your liver has an amazing ability to regenerate and heal given the chance. Your liver is a resilient organ, but it's not invincible. Treat it with care. So let's recap the simple steps to keep your liver healthy. Hydration is key. It aids in the detoxification process and keeps your liver functioning at its best. Next, a balanced diet fuels your body with the right nutrients, helping your liver to operate efficiently. Remember, our livers thrive on foods rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and lean proteins. Physical activity is another crucial aspect. Regular exercise reduces the risk of fatty liver disease and keeps your liver in tip-top shape. Lastly, it's essential to avoid harmful substances. Excessive alcohol, smoking, and certain medications can cause significant damage to your liver. In essence, it's a lifestyle choice. You choose to drink water instead of soda. You choose to eat a balanced diet over junk food. You choose to exercise instead of leading a sedentary life. You choose to say no to harmful substances. With these simple yet effective steps, you are on your way to a healthier liver. Remember, your liver works hard for you. Let's work a little for it too.